Betsy Malloy. There are no drawings of the whole mission layout, but here's what we know. When they started working on the church building in 1797, the fathers hired Isidor Aguilar, an expert stonemason from Mexico, to supervise the construction. He used architectural features not found in other missions, including a domed ceiling. The church was 180 feet long and 40 feet wide in the shape of a cross, with a 120-foot tall bell tower above the entrance. The floor had diamond-shaped tiles and there were small windows high on the walls. Unfortunately, the church was destroyed in an earthquake in December of 1812. The bell tower also fell. The bell wall, which is there today, was built to replace it in 1813. The fathers never rebuilt the church. What you can see today are pieces of the walls that didn't fall. The missionaries moved into the Father Sarah Chapel after the earthquake. The impressive golden altar at the mission chapel today is not the original. It was a gift from Archbishop Cantwell of Los Angeles, who had received it from Spain in 1906. It is so tall that they had to raise the ceiling to fit it inside. A burial chapel was added to the church in 1821.